5 dazzling ways to make any woman fall in love with you. The avenue to romance is littered with roadkill hearts and unrequited love. If you think you're unique in your loneliness, think again. There is enough dashboard pounding out there to start a global orchestra of dire distress. But don't despair. Before you spin out of control, deploy the airbags fast. These strategic maneuvers should cruise you back on track. I've a nice car. I'm accomplished. My A-list CV make the next guy look funky. I even wear the latest Armani. Why doesn't she flip for me? Why am I always alone? Stop. How many times did you pound the dashboard of your Corvette bewailing this persistent question? The avenue to romance is littered with roadkill hearts and unrequited love. If you think you're unique in your loneliness, think again. There is enough dashboard pounding out there to start a global orchestra of dire distress. But don't despair. Before you spin out of control, deploy the airbags fast. These strategic maneuvers should cruise you back on track. 1. Dress to kill. All the time. No, I don't intend that you wear that $5,000 suit to the grocer's or the Rolex to walk the dog. What I want you to do is to dress decently each time you hit the streets. Dab on some cologne. Be neatly shaven. Men, women are everywhere. If you dress with flash only at the bar or the party, you're missing out on 95% of eligible women. Some of the best relationships were forged during chance encounters at the bus stop. 2. Bedroom eyes. When exploring new relationships with that sexy stranger, intensify the eye contact. Lock deep into her pupils. Let the rest of the world disappear even as a horde of supermodels troop by. You will naturally thrill her with the attention as she experiences the tendrils of growing attraction. Ethnologists have a term for it, the copulatory gaze. Get your eyes even sexier by enlarging your pupils. Dr. Hess concluded that dilated pupils are far more attractive to women after he presented hundreds of assorted pictures of men to test subjects. How does one get the pupils popping? Simply gaze at the most alluring parts of her face and fill your mind with loving, caring thoughts. Your pupils naturally grow, endowing you with irresistible eyes. 3. Visual caress. Get your eyes to some facial traveling as you chat. Linger a bit on the nose, traipse across the eyes and rest at the lips. Drink in her facial features as though you were admiring the Mona Lisa. She will delight in the attention. 4. Easter eggs. Stumped at having nothing to say? Listen carefully for Easter eggs as you talk. These are unusual words of phrases that she utters. Ask her to expound on it. Say, "What's the story behind that?" Or, "How do you feel about that?" Women love to be probed for their opinions and their feelings. Gently bring out her emotions with sensitive open-ended questions. 5. Keep it adrenaline charged. Men talk facts, stock figures, bill payments, and boring engine specs. Women are different. They delight in feelings talk. How the new dress takes them to seventh heaven. How that special meal got them all giddy with ecstasy. How their shopping expedition drains their deepest problems away. Leverage this by steering away from facts talk. Pick out emotionally charged subjects and ask her how she especially relates to them. You'll be her new confidant. I know what you're thinking. It's all common sense. That's true, but ask yourself this. How many of you actually practice this? Be honest. Get out there and be the man women loves. Use your common sense.